Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to attach pictures and files to your message when you are contacting the seller of a particular product on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button and select the product that you are interested in and would like to contact the seller of. So here you should tap on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen and click on camera. Here allow access to all photos or select photos, so tap on the relevant one and you can take a picture with your phone, tap on use photo, and then as you can see you have sent it to the seller. You can also attach files by tapping on the files option, and you can choose from these two options and then attach your file that you want to forward to the seller in order to get to know to a particular product or ask for further details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.